Thursday, Friday, early hours of the morning, Friday. I think it was about, I think about 2. My California. Shaweni noko nje la. Because okay, time la mingazi liyagula yabona. Ligula ya. So mangishawe noko ngithi mina ay kazi kwenzakalani Jardi manje ngiyabona uGrootman yami ngifonelayo ayibamba. Sho uzi sharp emfithu. Avithu thama selishile.
Yeah. Good day and a warm welcome to Sports Geek with Sibonelo Ngcobo and
Lebo Ditlhake.
Oh, talking of Ditlhake, don't forget that this show is proudly brought to you by Ditlhake Construction and Plant Hire and also Ditlhake Cash Loans. Our umalapana bank balance is not balancing pretty well. You know exactly what to do. You can always get in touch with Ditlhake Cash Loans. Bebe sebakusetha lapana bank balance yakho ikwazi ukuthi ithi ukuba ko positive kancane. Kanti makhona lapana ekuma construction industry lapana madinga ama TLP Vaterkani aw noma nje yiphi into ekhona lapana construction, you know exactly what to do. Get in touch with Ditlhake Construction and Plant Hire. You can always get in touch with them on 073-956-8647 or ubambe lapha ngomtato kwilen line yabo 010-017-1905. Awusekela lapha Sports Geek and with Sibonelo Ngcobo and Lebo Ditlhake lapha ungakwazi ukuthi uye lapha online ufike lapha uthathe lapha uthi ukutobetsa lapha i-like button mawuqeda lapha ungakhohlwa ukwenza into enkulu nazo zonke ukupressa lapha ibutton la subscribe button mawuqeda lapho bese uthi utobetsa lapha ibutton lika share lapha ngaleyo ndlela libe selanda ibutton ilokhoza umndeni lande lapha izwi lawo lapha Sports Geek with Sibonelo Ngcobo and Lebo Ditlhake ngaleyo ndlela nje bebasho bathi the more the merrier mawushare kube sebekwazi ukuthi abantu abaningi lapha bakhona ukuyilandela lapha Sports Geek with Sibonelo Ngcobo and in turn you'll also get to earn yourself an automatic front row seat like Sports Geek with Sibonelo Ngcobo and Lebo Ditlhake. Every time we upload something, you'll always be the first one to be notified. Yo, sekunjalo asebephindile lapha bayiloada ba-uploada i-content. Ngaleyo ndlela you've got nothing to lose but everything to gain. Oh, njengenjwayelo bakwethu. Njengenjwayelo namhlanje sithe lapha asihambe lapha siyozingela asihereze sibone ukuthi singavundulula. Aw, yiphi inje enkulu top dog. Oh, it doesn't get any bigger and better than the guest that we have today in this show for you. Lapha masibheka nje lapha ekancane ngathi kunje fahla ngomlando wakhe wesivakashi sethu sanamhlanje wagijima lapha emboni elikhulu lapha Orlando Pirates ezimnyama ngenkali zikaMakepula ezakepula umhlaba kaMasipala zawushiya umapeketwana akagcinanga nje ngokuba ngogijima khona lapha kuOrlando Pirates to top it all waba ukapteni walo lelo qembu. Oh yes, he did captain the mighty Buccaneers. Wahamba wayogijima lapha kwiMamelodi Sundowns bafana bastyle mina naphezulu awu ugijimile khona. Wathi uma kuukuthi kanjani niyalidata italent lami. I can always do this beyond South African borders. Guess what? He went to Europe. Yes, you heard me right. Wahambile wodla lapha ezweni lapha phesha kwezilwandle kwicontinent yakhona lapha Europe. Udlalile sobe sesitshela ukuthi iliphi iqembu wathi wagijima kulona. Uma ngaphazami I'm talking the correction. Ngicabanga nako Botswana uke waya nakhona wathi ukuyovela khona lapha up north. So insizwa le asihambanga nje asikho desperate sathatha noma yini sikulethela cream de la cream. Cream de la cream. Oh, njengoba sengishilo ukuthi lensizwa yakaba captain wawo lapha neqembu elawo lapha Orlando Pirates. Talking of him captaining Orlando Pirates, I believe he proved lapana isisho sesingisi esithi dynamite come in small packages. He is not the biggest of players size wise, but he is the biggest of players when it comes to the heart. He's got one of the biggest heart. You know exactly, you cannot captain a club of Orlando Pirates magnitude of une inhliziyo yenyoni lapana lapana kishima kwiqembu lapana lebafana. Listen to this. He is boasting 31 Bafana caps. Oh boy, you heard me right. 31 international caps. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Benedict Bongani Vilakazi abamaziyo nabamthandayo bathi tso
Wethu.
kunjani baba
No bafethu ngiyabonga bafethu ukuthi nami yazi ngingatatazela nje wena akona call ukuthi amasikhamia ngathi yo mina all the players yo bafethu because it's something that doesn't happen often but yeah no thank you guys, thank you very much.
Asibongile.
Yeah.
asayibongela kakhulu laphana njengoba sengishilo ukuthi we are very great to have laphana the legendary Benedict Tso Vilakazi njengoba sengasho ukuthi waqwaba laphana uCaptain weqembu leOrlando Pirates wakhishima phesha kwezilwandle eEurope waya koBotswana kodwa for the benefit laba basho ukuthi okay siyamuzwa lo Tso Vilakazi wazalelwa kuphi usukaphi usuka eHaleshiwe usuka eShobashobane usuka kwaNongoma Orusuke eBloemfontein koMangaungi awusitshela uBenedict Vilakazi for the benefit yababukeli bethu who don't know exactly ukuthi uBenedict Vilakazi wazalelwa kuphi inkaba yakhe ekuphi exactly wazalwa wakhulela kuphi
Yeah, lo muntu abakhuluma ngaye uBongani Benedict Vilakazi. I was born at Diepkloof. Yeah, la.
eDiepkloof
eKaSamampela.
Kon TV yayikhona iTV show yayikhona eDiepkloof
Dynamite.
Show.
Diepkloof Dynamite ungekho lapho
I was still young at that time. I was still young.
Diepkloof
But
Dynamite
anyway mina bengizongibone lapho ngoba bengihlala ngiseground nje njalo.
Okay.
Yeah, so ngizalelwe eDiepkloof. Grew up at Diepkloof. Yeah, my parents at Diepkloof, my siblings. Yeah, uBongani ubuya lapho.
so intwana yaseSoweto
Yeah, no umuntu wasekasi nje.
through and through
Yeah, no mfethu ikasi ngidlale konke amakasi lapha eSoweto. So akukho la kuzothi ngiyangena khona ikasi angilazi ground. Awora bangazi hayi no.
just njengoba ubudlala kona which reminds me of i-tournament yakudala was it Godfrey Moloi wadlala lapho
ngadlala lapho i-team yethu sadliwa isikwa saseDiepkloof sadliwe final sidliwa iForslorus.
hey abobhashini bahlala
Played yeah no Bashini bekangekho bekangadlala sikhabi kwabo SKL uJabulani Mende yeah sadliwa yibo ke basidla nje I think it was extra time I think 2-1 we lost the final 2-1
oh istrand laphana njengoba sesike sasho ukuthi laphana esikhonsonance izwa namhlanje laphana Benedict Tso Vilakazi wakhishima laphana kwiqembu leOrlando Pirates agcina ngokhishima kulwa njengoba sengasho waphinda laphana wafaka iarm band wabangena awusitshene lapho nje siqale nje eqaleni ukuthi your professional breakthrough how did it come about
yeah hey bendlelenda mfethu bendlelende and it was not an easy one but yeah umuntu uzamile man wakokoda ngaphana ngapha because I remember ukuqala kwami it was when after we went to a Peru 97
Peru
yeah
South America
97 yeah so dlala schools World Cup egele sawina eKFC
uyafunda the time
yeah ngisesigele lapho yeah so win KFC under 17 and then we went to represent South Africa World Cup eGolo then coming back then obvious people they talk to me with no man you can do it manabozama kulama club nan I went to Wits I went to Swallows I went to Real Rovers I went to Jomo Cosmos, Jomo Tigimi.
Manje uyatrial manje.
Mfethu ngiyatriala mfethu. Hey. Ngihamba ngama taxi njalo akunakuthi kune transport ngiyathatha or ini. Male carry lena ngigibela itaxi ngihamba uJomo Tigimi. Udlala kanjani ibhola wena ulingana nebhola? Brajay. Brajay.
Awukangena egroundini.
Beka ngakangena egroundini. Uyangibuza and then wena no mina Brajay ngicela ukuzojima nami lana. Zojima ya. Mara mfethu hayi. Udlala kanjani ibhola ulingana
nebhola?
Hayi khola ima kancane mfethu. Then I went to Chiefs. Chiefs abaloku bathi come tomorrow
yes.
And then computer lamula no Prasem Prasem I just forgot his name but uhlala Vanderbilt Park yeah bekane club yabo so you saw me sidlala elokishini so bangithatha yena no computer lamula bangisa ku Sundowns ngifika Sundowns ngajima development yabo first week second week udelay to Ted Dumitro
yes.
yeah may his soul rest in peace and then ke wangibona ke laphana wasathi no uzojima ne senior team Ted Dimitri hayi ngajima ne senior team 1 week. The second week I remember it was Tuesday.
Yes.
But give me no Monday ejimini after training, and then bangitshela ucoach uthi no mamela ngiyakufuna la and the team is going to sign you.
That's Sundowns.
Sundowns.
Yes.
Hayi nami ujabulile hayi. But Friday mele ngize eofficeini la eDrobheni ngizosign contract. Hayi good. Tuesday ngebreak uyafika ucoach Palashoes. Hey mamela la wena khohlwa lento lezwile ukuthi uyosana neSundowns wena khohlwa. Uchairman uyakufuna uchairman and uchairman uzofika lapho kini ngizozana uchairman ngaboma 3-4.
UPalashoes kwi-Pirates that
yeah ku-Pirates.
Pirates Palashoes.
Yeah. Mamela ongayindawo awuye ejimini namhlanje uhlale lapha stele. Hayi mangiphuma nami vele ngifike ekhaya ngitshela ithama lami ke hey baba na indaba phela uPalashoes uthi uchairman Ivan Khoza uzozalana bafuna uzodlala kuPirates. Yeah.
Sure.
Are you serious ngithi mina ngitshela kanjalo angazi so bathe ngingaye ejimini lapha kuSundowns uyeza. Okay hayi asike sibone ngizange ngiye ejimini Sundowns.
Sure.
Ngahlala thema zingabuma 3:30 akungena abantwana abancane nje ukuthi kunabantu abafuna ukuthola ngaphandle. Hayi ngiyaphuma mangithi uPalashoes mangithi ihamba nochairman. Hayi ngibuye
It's happening ngempela.
ngibuyele endlini ngithi mina baba nangu uPalashoes uhamba nochairman. Baba unamanga wena. Ngithi mina nangibala ngaphandle njengoba ngibizela lokho. Hayi ithi ngiyekubo kade hamba uye kubuyozwa. Hayi fika lapha yana ke chairman uyasho ukuthi no man kunobanda endlini ngithi no baba ukhona. Athi okay no man ngicela ukukhuluma nobaba wakho man. Nawe futhi. Hayi ungenwe endlini ke wahlale phansi uchairman nobaba bami ke ayasho hayi no baba man hey mfana kolona sizwile man ukuthi hayi uyadlala man manje into engilethe la mina self ukuthi ngibona ukuthi why mfana wala eDeep Kloof nami ngihlala la eDeep Kloof
abahlala eDeep Kloof
ePitori angeke adlala ihlapha ePitori ngikhona ihlapha la eOrlando ngihlala la eDeep Kloof that's why ngizela makana inkingi uzawalka ezela kimi endlini makaba kune problem awu baba manje hayi mina nginankinga nangumuntu odlala ibhola so akazikhulumele yena boy yebo timer manje no problem.
Ngintwana mina. I can say no to Pirates.
Pirates uchairman nangu la. Hawu ngizothini. I remember that time that was 98 ke lapho ke. That was 98. I think 98 October. Kanti iPirates vele baqala i-development vele. No Palashoes. So all right ke gawo ngase ngiyangena ke bathi ngizoqala la ku development ngajima nje towards November thema sithi December is it December yeah December the late Ted
Dimitri
now seka join Pirates maka join Pirates the late Ted uyangibona lapha
wena
what happened to you wena usayini lapha ngithi mina hayi ngalandwa na ku chairman wangilanda azongena la okay no that's good man and then when are you training ngithi mina no mina ngale ku development no you can't play with those guys no you can't angazwafonela bani one of the managers wamtshela ukuthi no man I want this boy la ku senior team not la
Ted Dimitri
how many years manje
I think I was 16 at that time I think 16 turning 17 usesikela hawu nako ke bangithathe ke bathi kimi no ozojima la before sizojima futhi there was a game Maritzburg I think it was ngathi ku Maritzburg no buka amazulu idlala nePirates
sure
so basithatha ke thina ke bathi sami sodlala lo friendly game leyo after lo game leyo hayi ke kulaqale khona ukuthi hayi no boy awusayile wena
no more
uhlala la
senior team
ke sengila ku senior team wahamba kude late 30 ku Pirates makahamba soku the late Mkhandawiri, may his soul rest in peace, no Pondarenko.
Oh yeah.
Ayike labo ke sometimes ngibe seteamini, sometimes ngingabi seteamini, but most of the time bengabi seteamini ke, so ngidlala ku reserve, yabo. So at that time the good thing was ukuthi every time Pirates mezodlala besikhathi and raise aqala.
Yes. Okay.
So it gave people an eye ukuthi banamapha ama players in that development. So I've played angagcina ngithi mina yazi nayo lento okudlala la. Ngathi no mina ngicela iclearance yami ngihambe once ngiyodlala somewhere. Chairman wangibiza athi ngizobathi ufuna iclearance yakho ngithi chairman. Yazi umuntu akakatholi nje ne chance nje kahle. So ngicela nje ukuthi at least ngiye somewhere ngiyodlala khona then nizongibona ke. Kwathi mamela ke don't worry wena. Hey ngathi don't worry. Kweza ucoach Korinikasini. Korinikasini, okay, I right Sachima song kevele. I remember because udlalwa ni Chiefs Ellis Park. I choose Sachima after training ba select vele 18. Ya vele bheka mo youngster vele bongayicabanga indaba yedabi vele. Ngeke ucabanga vele. Hayi ngeke
asigeme ingane le.
Bheka kancane nje ucabanga indaba yedabi. Hayi ke no vele angikho vele teamini vele akunanhliziyo ebhlungu vele ngiya idabi yo
kuyafiwa
hawu ngeke ekseni ngo8 o'clock yangifonela uPhala Shoes. Hey boy, is coach, do you wanna play? Ngithi yes I wanna play. At okay, if you wanna play be ready, the chairman is gonna call you, you're gonna play tonight. What?
Tonight?
No, but coach Pamela,
I'm not ready.
Phela mina angiyange campaign because bakhona i-team eselectiwe at hey mamela la. When I be ready chairman uzokufonela. After 10 minutes I phone chairman. Boy, timer kunjani ku right. Mamela ke boy kugcokwa uniform so bazoza bazokulanda uyadlala namhlanje.
Ibana. Soto tap.
Timer angizwa kahle because bayenzile 18 izolo so mina ngekho mina. But mamela boy don't worry wena. Somebody ngaphethwe iflu lapha ya. So bazokulanda uye lapha eteamini. Okay, ayingibe ready. Ngempela ibhasi lifike. Fike ibhasi ngene ebhasini ngihambe. Fike hotel ngijoin i-team. All right. Hayi ukubona lento lokuthi hayi ngiyopesha vele because leyano yakhona. So yeah, ngigcwalisa nje lapha. Sifika lapha na changing room ngiyagcokwa ngiyahanjwa kuyomapa. Makubika omapa bathi 11. Hayi
uku11 wa.
Hayi ndoda. Ngithi bathi Vilakazi we are starting in the midfield.
Ngazela madoda.
Ngaphatha umchamo semtime. Ngaphatha umchamo semtime. Ngahamba ngayochama. Ngabuya ngahlala phansi. Ngahamba hey bekumngani no toilet umchamo ungenzani. Ngithukile ukuthi
the crowd,
stage,
the media, everyone.
Fethu. Number 1 ukuyobona Abu Jerry Skhosana, uThabo Mngomeni, Abu Gofri Sapula. We're talking about players that baba ku first line up kubafana bafana.
Sure.
And now one of them uzohlala ebenchini ngiqala igame.
Nguba.
Yeah.
And crowd stadium.
The crowd routine. But okay, crowd wena bengasangithusi kangako because bese ngijwayele ngoba every time akuzodlala ama game besikhathi and raise. So obviously behlala kugcwele yabo. Yeah, sengijwayele nyana ukuthi nokunjani. Hayi ke bese kuyongena lapha na hayi Makrutman no abona Makrutman I would say I was lucky. I was very lucky to have la Makrutman abo Thabo Mngomeni, Gofri Sapula, the late Vusemncwangu, abo Jabo Mngoni, abo Okpara, abo Brandon Silent, you know, Makrutman. Yeah, no. I be team amapela. Yeah, be team amapela leya. So shemyazini bangikhuthaza nje kakhulu ukuthi no mamela. Yabona lento le uyenza ejimini. Yenze la. Don't worry. If balithathile ibhola, it's okay. Don't worry. Just play well. No ngadlala. No, I had a good game. A very good game. Second half, ngiyezwa ama-cramp nawa phela.
High intensity.
Yeah, phela ngithi ngijwayelanga manje yabo. So sengiyezwa ama-cramp ke. Bathi ungaphumi isikole bekuyi-2-2. Banje boy ungaphumi boy. Le game le uyiphethe uzoba i-man of the match. Waphuma ngeke ube man of the match. Ngimina amaGrootman ngiyafuna ukudlala. Hey mangithi ngithi move inyawo hayi khona ama-cramp lana. Ngaphuma ke lo game le. But after that I know kula uzothi indlela yami yaba right ke coming to abo Vodacom challenges, going to the league. Yeah, and so mangikhula kanjalo ke so everyone mabafika ke bafikela kimi ngikhona ke then I become a captain team. Bafika abanye bakhalele ambelt ngithi mina no chairman mina akudlala ambelt
Udlala ibhola.
dlala wena umuntu straight udlale lona ibhola so iambelt azimizokwenza ube mnandi oyifunayo nayi but the very same job le ebengiyenza faka ambelt I'm still going to do it again.
Sure.
Athi no mani bayafika bonke labangathi no yazi sometimes chairman umuntu uyamnikeza lento ayifunayo aziprove yena ukuthi unjani. Hayi banikeza ibhande bayenzeni ba umuntu aliphatha ibhande but masiqaka lapha ya etho manje senza kanjani ubantu phethe ibhande
wena umholi
beka wena manje mina silalele wena uthini wena damfethu wena waziyo mfika ukuthi makubheda mina senze njani mina abheke laba abafuna ibhande laba. Yeah, but you know it was nice Bafiti, it was very nice. I had a nice life at Pirates, you know, and I always say thanks to Dr. Ivan Khoza, the coaches that were there at Pirates, the players, that they make it easier for me because ngaphandle kwabo I doubt ukuthi I was going to achieve whatever that I achieved ngoba you know football is a team sport. So and I always tell amachita ukuthi Bafethu yes you can say ukuthi I know mfethu bonzima nani ngiyabonga but you know you guys you made it possible for me. You make me work more hard because if you guys were not there angicabanga ukuthi yonke into le yami yokora nani I mean bengizothola lapha ama pass without you guys. So all the guys engidlale nabo from abo Para, abo Stema, Lucky Shiburi, Grant Johnson, Abu William Mokpara, Warren Lewis, President Silent, Chikoya.
You know, the left back.
Yeah,
educated left foot.
No. Ayikho njalo. Yeah, no.
Educated.
No. Bakhona abadlalile bonke. Hayi ngibona ngeso.
Cross yakhona ngathi iphoso ngesandla.
Yeah, no. Ngabe bambile wayechikuwe. Yeah. No. Chikoya bekanzima kakhulu. Abo Gary Chanzengi, Thomas Ngwana. Yeah, no.
Nsonto dlale naye.
No, Nsondayi. Mangifika bekaceda kuhamba Nsonto. Because lo munye engifikile bekakhona wahamba benguzuma.
Okay.
Yeah, uzuma mangifika. And then the following season ke wasiyahamba ke and then the late enye Grootman Bafita la Grootman le may he so rest in peace John Mead
Dunga.
I've never seen such a player Bafita. I've never in my life down to earth like nanoma khuluma like he la Grootman le yana la Grootman le yana bekazibhola and akhona ukuthi akhulume nawe akubonise in the right way. So bonke they had different characters but I like what they did to me and to other players because you know listening to abantu abayihambile indlela it will make you more wiser. Maso hamba nawe ile ndlela leyo. So I like to thank all of those people and the last people that I will say thanks to them. And you know sometimes I feel ukuthi ngathi maybe I would say players they don't really appreciate is the supporters.
Absolutely.
Yeah, those people I really appreciate them kakhulu because you know there's people that abasebenza kuma construction companies that mhlawumbe uzothi uzohola maybe 300 rand athathe i-40 rand ayothenga i-ticket just to watch me.
Exactly,
So for
exactly.
me,
Absolutely.
those people they mean a lot to me. They mean a lot to me. Even today, I nanoma ngihamba la, when they greet me, they stop me. I stop because you know those people. Umuntu othi ayosebenza tusebenzela ifamily yakhe, and then in that money ifamily yakhe, and then decide ukuthi I wanna go and watch uTsovilakazi. To me, it means a lot.
You touched on a very good point with Orlando Pirates while you were a captain.
Yeah.
There was Lombang were wrangling around the captains.
Yeah.
So which takes me straight to the point of the good and the bad of being a captain, your team, and especially being a captain of a big club as big as Orlando Pirates. Talk to us about the challenges that came with that of being the captain and the responsibilities that you had in the locker room or even on the field of play as the captain.
Yeah, Bafi, to captain that team, it's not
Yes.
easy.
Yes.
It's not easy because you know, I would say from my side at that time, we had quality players.
Absolutely.
We had quality players, and you know, I remember we had two teams. A1 bejimela at Johannesburg Stadium, A1 jimela ngaphandle besibiza ngokune Orlando kune Pirates. Yeah. Yeah, iwo besibaningi mfethu. And then now as a captain everyone comes and cry kuwe.
Yes.
Cha mfethu mina wayengadlali, mfethu wayengadlali. Mfethu.
And the guy is good.
Yo mfethu mamela. Yazi amachite uyabona mfethu, and I remember even the PSL baze bavula i-reserve league.
Yes.
Ngathi mina bafethu yazi dlalani lapha yabo. Mara kuyafana tso mfethu wona uyadlala usicabanga yabo. Ngathi gents, you don't know ukuthi ngilwa kanjani for everyone ukuthi athole i-chance yabo. But now angifuna ukuthi ngikukhulumele akubiza ucoach akufake and then you don't perform.
You are not ready.
Sasa kuzothiwa bani? Yimi yawona tso wena unjani njani. Mfethu I had to mfethu cabanga you've got, if I'm not mistaken, we're about 60. 30 ngapha 30 ngale, and everyone is crying give me. So I had to wenza everyone, imagine kukhala laba ngapha abangadlali.
Sure.
But bayajima vele with the 18 or 24 players. Then there's this one abajima bodwa ngale abakhalana nangokuthi but ucoach akazi nokuthi sijima kanjani uyeza uzosibheka in. Sorry, ngathi mina no gents mamelani, I know everyone is frustrated and I understand you. But one thing that engizomcela yona mina ukuthi if you've been given a chance, make use of that chance. Because angifuni kusasa bese kuthiwa ya ukhulumela lona ngoba umngani wakho, ukhulumela lona ngoba mhlambe uphuma ku development, ukhulumela lona ngoba ya diploma nonke in. I don't want that, yabo. But it was tough. And then I remember the tenth one was between me, the late Gifty, Cheesy, Tukutugu. Yeah.
This game.
But he gave me mfethu ya wena hayi usharp wena usinaki nani ngoba wena uyadlala in ngachance. Ngicela ngizele FIFA. Jimani makudlalwa nidlale. Yabo mosodlala uzimisele, you will see.
Sure.
So they thought I'm joking. Sine game, sidlala game on Wednesday. Badlala ile nto zabe idlala ngama Mondays. Bathi mabaqeda ukudlala Monday, Tuesday masijima ngapha bababiza beza ngapha bazojima nathi ngapha. So they thought ukuthi I know mhlambe babalalisa. Wednesday baqala igame.
Yo, I read your notes.
Ngathi mina gents ngiyanicela bafethu, ngiyanicela ke. Yabona manje ngiyanicela bafethu. Ngize ngaguqa gents ngiyanicela. Yazi no ibambe le chance ungasabheke emuva. Ungasabheke emuva because yabona lama ungaperformanga la. Wazi ukuthi ngiyosayithola i-chance. Yabo sibaningi kanjani? So ngiyanicela bafethu. From that time azange basaphuma etimini. Azange basaphuma etimini. Ngikutshela ukuthi even nalabo abayimbe babona ukuthi I know we can't go kuya kuthi sokhala lokudlala while amajita enza kanje. It was very difficult, and even though sometimes I remember we had a meeting obvious amajita ayacomplaina nani kuba nenkulumo zifika ku-chairman ukuthi hayi no utsokhulumela amajita wakhe wala iSoweto nani yabona saba ne-meeting chairman wathi yazini lokho nithi utsokhulumela abantu nani are you aware ukuthi some of you know almost all the team njoba nila some of you are here because of lo mfana lo if lo mfana lona ngathi uhambe ungahamba manje bheka manje ungahamba manje so njoba nithi athi ngilwana every day uyangifonela ngitshele ngozibani wazwa khomba I think khona uRamuzole wase bekaphuma ku Black Leopards yabo athi okay ngitsheleni relationship katso nalo mfana lo uRamuzulu ukuthi kanjani babe ne relationship I know there's no way because uphuma le Leopards athi
so married.
Can I show you ama message akatso asking ukuthi sinikeze lo muntu chance now what the phone athi na bhekani Utso is fighting for everyone to get a chance. Unfortunately, we have to select the 18 game in 11 izodlala. Not everyone's going to get that chance. So yekalo kumlona emkhuluma kabi lana ukuthi utso preferable bana. Everyone ola kule team le. Abanye I even ask him ukuthi engathi sine problem ka right back besicabanga player so what do you think also I know right I guess some of you nize ngaye lo mfana lo njobani la so it was not easy but yeah amajita they did support me they did support me yeah kakhulu futhi they did support me and they make it easier for me hey sometimes the grounding lokuthi kube nzima makuba nzima bavele ba
so ngawele you are the captain of the
manje bese ngiyasho abafithu Aye, sibathatheni mafila sibadrabbling
but listening to you manje Zone ngibona ngathi iPirates bayenze kahle ukuthi bakufake kule squad lesi those legends abo Wilmo Kupara nani ukuthi because of you were the only youngster kule squad lesi and then from there on after le era yabo and then they build the team ngawe ngoba kune squad lesi uyabona lesi Adidas lesi so vum uteko walaza hayi lapha yana hayi banishisa ndoda hayi
no we have
and ungafuna ukubona ne Chiefs
no yazi I always say mangikhuluma ngeChiefs when you are a parent ebantwaneni bakho maba student uthatha lo mthanda kakhulu wenza ngaye exam
Chiefs
ukuthi bangathi abantu uyamiyeka lo ngoba uyamfavor shayena bazobona ukuthi le ndawo uyifuna
hayi no uqinise
wrong
that's why
so
abangayifuna ukuyibona
Chiefs yazi Chiefs and you know the funny part is that yes the Chiefs I used to love that team with all my growing up, like I remember, may her soul rest in peace, my mother. She's with my life. Bengat like Pega, I will cry. Ngat foot no like good like Nangin. She's my life. Hey, nyakula, sing your born. But still being favorite Chiefs until the past 10 years. Yeah, the last 10 years
so manje uyayithanda you very passionate ngayo Chiefs but manje bawushayinete uyibulala
no yazi
uzwa kanjani
no bengicelebrate
aningisayinanga futhi
ngafika kini ngathi bafethu nalojika so namhlanje ngiyalibonisa ukuthi bheka now you are losing out on this
sure
na into bengithi ngizoyiletha la teamini so you guys ke nala ke no Chiefs man yazi it's one team that ngisho noma kunjani I remember played iDerby ngefracture like fracture la right lokho ngithi eground lokho ngithi but basaba nokukumaka lokho kulemele nginjalo but I've played because
that's high level of commitment
yeah man in that team ku Pirates I did everything I've played ngula played ngama injuries like I will play if ngizokuthi yazini I can play. I will play. I will say ngiyangena la. But no, hey enkili dumbile ngithi mina abazi
Ngiyangena.
dumbile. Abazi
Yeah.
dumbile. Uzifasa la istripping ngiyangena la. I will go in.
ngicela ungicorrect tho kunalapho kunegame lenye yeDerby I think you were getting married why wathi ngizanibona ithi ngiyobulala labantu
No,
ngiyabuza
mfethu, you know the way I love football. I love football with all my heart. There's nothing that will come between me and football.
sure
Yeah, I know, mina ibhola. So I went there. Ngaqeda ngathi
ushaya isiphala
ngiyale kuthiwa hey ngathi chairman athi no boy relax ngathi
No way.
guess what angithi i-team bebazi ukuthi angizi vele bangitholela lapha FNB lapha FNB ngiphethe ama-cox ami la bathe ndoda ngathi mina ngizodlala la ngizodlala utshela chairman now I remember manager, I think it was Phil City. May his soul rest in peace.
Mr. Jones.
Yeah. Boy, and then what's happening, boy? I'm going to suppose ule manager. Asikhohle le ngilama.
Slama.
The bitches love. No, abakuphathelanga because awuke team. No, ngizodlala. They had to goodbye late. There's a cheese. Ngagcoka ngena ngadlala idabi. That's how much, it's because of there's a lot, man. When I always think about Dr. Ivan Khoza, the chairman, the main fact that wakwazi ukuthi ezikithi and talk to my father ukuthi I must come and play for his team. So I had this thing ukuthi is one person that I don't want to disappoint. He gave me an opportunity to play for a team yakhe, so I want to go all out. I don't care who says what, then I'll go and play.
I know boyikhomba straight
Yeah, I know.
Laphana kwi-career yakho ake senje ukubheka laphana usekhona laphana kwi-Orlando Pirates I believe ngonyaka ka-2006 even as much as you were the Lekile Napoleon, the captain here Orlando Pirates, that top dog, everyone, every corner khulunywa ngawe. Unfortunately, you were part and parcel of that Bafana that went to Egypt.
Yes.
Yafika lapha Egypt, lost all the games, came back without scoring even a single goal in that 2006 Africa Cup of Nations in Egypt.
Yeah.
Talk to us, what went down? What was that all about?
I've learned one thing in football. If you're not going to plan properly, nothing will. Agna miracles as well. So if you can remember, that period, we had to play PSL 11, Kuzami, Kudiklanga team for LA. That's not how things should be done. So Tina, Peranji, there was nothing good that will come out of that national team there because the preparations were not proper. So even though yes, in those games we never man of the match, but still the team was on the losing side. In football, as now Njoba say, singing coach now, and some maybe technical director, I've learned that you need to plan. You plan, and when you plan, yazi, mangithi mina, it's so important. If I don't know what mangithi mina, I love a player who tries to do something than a player who doesn't try, who's afraid I will make a mistake.
Sure.
So mina, I'll go with a player that is gonna go there and make a mistake, then we'll solve it. So planning injalo, you plan. If you planile, it's better because you've put effort there. You wanted to do it right. So it's just that it happens with maybe the level or the environment at that moment didn't work out for you according to your plans. But to be really honest, we didn't plan properly. So that's why we had those results.
And I can agree with you, because I was one of the people who were the big fans. Coach Wayne Ted Dimitri.
Yes.
I was a big fan of Ted Dimitri. So when Ted Dimitri was appointed to take that Bafana, I said, this is the time we're going to win this thing by hook or crook. Then surprise, how man? Ted Dimitri, no goal, lost all the games. And I asked, is it Ted Dimitri? Is it you guys sabotaged him or what? So You plan that disastrous failure Bafana Bafana 2006 in AFCON to poor planning.
Yeah, poor planning, because I remember, if I'm not mistaken, team finalized a week kuzohanjwa.
Sure.
National team.
already can tell
I'm
you.
telling you, I'm not gonna lie. I think I'm 100% sure. Team, I remember, kuqedwe preparation we are in Egypt. We played at Durban. After Durban, we came back like Joburg, and then again, I think in that week, then that's when we left to Egypt. We didn't plan properly. We didn't plan properly. And the lady coach Ted, he tried everything that possibly
Yes.
can happen.
And Ted was a top-notch coach.
Yeah, no. Then that's why I'm saying it right now, as with my experiencing now and saying I've learned ukuthi if you don't plan,
Nothing will come out.
Nothing will come right. Ngeke, cut and paste. Angeke izikusize ba cut and paste. So in that time, kuthathwe coach Ted, wafakwa, makafakwa, we don't have a team. Then now he needs to put the team together. That's why we have to play the PSL 11 against the Bafana team. Sadlala ku closed doors. Lapha eDurban. So iyakubonisa ukuthi things were not run properly at that time. So you cannot falter the coach, you cannot falter the players. It was, I would say, mina yonke into besizandleni zesafa ukuthi ama decision about thathayo abanjani.
Awusezwe laphana insizwa Benedict Itsovela uyasho laphana there are no shortcuts to success. You want to get somewhere, you definitely have to invest on planning. Uma uthi uzoshaya o copy and paste, cut and paste ayikhona ayisebenzi leyo. Uma ufuna ukuphumelela planning
Screenshot.
That was in 2000.
Forward.
Yeah, we say forward screenshot.
That was in 2006. And then in 2007, I believe you earned yourself a contract abroad in Europe, in Denmark.
Yes.
Talk to us about your Denmark contract and life and everything. Firstly, how did the Denmark deal come about?
I think because off season sivalile lana, so yazi off season sizidlela into zethu amakhekhe nani kumnandi umuntu unfit, so yes my agent yangitshela ukuthi ndoda emele uma trials kuphi eDenmark.
For the agent of season.
Yangifonela ukuthi kumele ngiye kuma trial le lonto za eDenmark. Man, but manje unfit, at least after a month nyana ngizochima. I know, just go laphana and then you'll see. Now mangifika le Denmark, coach lapha yangitshela ukuthi no boy, don't worry. We know ukuthi le South Africa off season, the fitness wise we know ukuthi you are unfit. But one thing that we know is that if you are good, you are good. So sizokubona la ukuthi umnandi. Beside fitness. Ngene ngijimeke. Abaqeda ukujima bathi ke manje ndoda sakusign.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's Europe.
Yeah, ndoda hayi ngiyabona nami ukuthi hayi.
Hambile manje.
Manje Mike ukuthi I know but bakusign.
Mike Makap.
Straight, yeah. It manje phela asenzanga bo, like we played for about 20-30 minutes. 11v11.
First training session.
First training session. Ngiyozifika ekuseni kwawo mapiwa kudlala square, then from there but 11v11. After that 11v11 ucoach wangibiza ngathi no mamela boy, you going to sign you. Yeah. Mangifika eRomini, tshelo Mike naku phela bathi I know kahle they told me before you gym. So I didn't want to tell you ukuthi bazokusign. So bangitshele mina before nje uyojima ukuthi no we want to sign the boy. Yabo, it's just a formality nje ukuthi sembone ground nje lapha, but we signing the boy. Ngithi yeah. But wangitshela ngikuseni athi no phela niyahlupha uzokutshela ikhanda libe ngaka.
Psychological
yabo. All right. Then they spoke to the chairman and yeah, ngase ngiyasigna lapha eDenmark.
But okay, so uyahamba unplanned. Kuthiwa hamba uyali. Manje, how do you gel in ujwayelele ndawo? Because now it's a quick change that it's unplanned. Uyahamba and ngisho angazi weather yada enjani.
It's not
Compared to yethu.
Yeah, no, laphayana no, kuyabanda laphaya. Mangifika laphayana it's the first time for me to see. You know, sometimes ezinye izinto besizibona ma TV when my players bathi baya transfer benza ama medical nanani. Uzothi ay medical yini because lana ubheke eskalini bathi awushayi weight yakho, shayi height laphayana. Hayi
Exactly.
but kuyibi bangenzana abo doctor oba hayi usharp lomfana lo usharp sign contract lapha
Semzansi.
la yomza doctor lapha boy mnandi no asayine ugrand so lapha yana faka emishinini lapha yana uya test ibody nanani and they can see everything so they saw injury yami fracture
Sure.
because I had 2 injuries in one leg. Yeah, because ngithole la Sundowns. Yeah, ngapha I had a fracture on my foot and a fracture la on my leg. Yeah, so uyavela lapha ukuthi bayibona lapha naye ngoba I've got a plate kanje enyaweni and then ama screws ayi7 and then la phansi ngine fracture nakhona. So there's like it rat kanje elifasile to make sure ukuthi la yahlangana
Intact.
yeah so konke la kuyavela lapha mabakufake lapha ushaya treadmill naye lontuzana i-screen sabo lapha bakubhekile lapha yonke into kubonakala eheart lapha yabhipha yonke
Isha kanjani?
yeah hayi uqeda lapha kuthatha igazi ke ngithatha igazi ukuthi mhlamba uguli ini hayi okay sharp and then after ke ngiceda kusayina ke and then ngathi noma ngicela ubuye ekhaya phela ngizothatha impahla ngoba phela bengazi ukuthi kuzobani nje bathi right sharp. Then I came back home ngizothatha impahla. I remember ngifike kwi Wednesday ngizothatha impahla okay ngama ngifike ekhaya nyasho hayi sengisalile contract lapha in hayi time lami I was happy in all of that was Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, early hours of the morning Friday. I think it was about I think about 2 my California shaweni noko nje la because okay time lami ngazi liyagula yabona ligula ya so mangishawe noko ngithi mina kazi kwenzakalani Jardi manje ngiyabona uGrootman yami ngifonelayo ngiyibamba sho uzi sharp emfithu avithu thama selishile sho mfithu kanjani ntano ndota bazivusa manje lana ukuthi nali time selithulile ngithi inonyazwakala shaya imoto ngivaye ngidladleni mangifika vele edladleni hayi vele
Kanjani?
hayi thama vele hayi selithulile
Mina ngapha melo uhambe manje.
bekumele ngihambe vele on Saturday no Monday Monday bele ngivaye angibafonele teamini hey man hayi man director no man sikuvele into kanje time lami selishonile yabo
Sure.
and manje sizolingcwaba next week yabo so ngcwaba next week then I can only come that other week yabo athi okay no I'll talk to the coach and then ucoach angifonele yabo ukuthi boy ngizwile man ukuthi kwenzakalani yabona ngithi yes coach athi no mamela man ngiyakufuna man make sure ukuthi after I funeral you come back because on Wednesday we playing ama qualifying games Europa League. So I need you lapho yabo ngithi okay no I will speak to a family because normally after funeral we wait for 7 days and then we zogezwa nanani yabona yabona so I'll talk to the family and then hear what they say and then I'll come back to you okay sharp hayi ngikhuluma nefamily ukuthi man ngikhuluma no coach lana ukuthi funeral zoba next week yabo So now coach uthi kimi uyangifuna back because on Wednesday we are playing a game. So yenza kanjani leni ngoba phela siyancwaba Saturday, yabo. So and then the family, but no, what we can do is that after guys we are lena ke ngageswa ke once, yabo. So that wena uzokwazi ukukhululeka uhambe ke. All right, guy. Kube njalo ngifly Sunday. Afike lena Monday afternoon, then Tuesday ngijime, Wednesday sidlale vele. Iphele. Yeah, I think iphele lo nyanga leyo. The following month, kushona uHotman yami. I have to come back again. Buya. Enzeke funeral eHotman yami, kuqedwe Sunday, I fly back. The following month, kushona sister. Sister mayishona, ishiya inxusi ezi2. Intombazane ni out. I think the intombazane at that time, I think was maybe 14, 15. Then the boy, I think was about 11, 12. And then now, edladleni akekho sipanayo.
Uwe kuphela.
Yimi ngesipanayo.
Sure.
Grootman yami last born asedladleni eThekeni, inxusi zesesteri, inxusi yami, inxusi Grootman. So lawana abayi7 bonke babheke mina. Okay. After funeral, ithi funeral funeral late, ngithola call. Emfethu uze sharp, Harris Chwe. Man mamela man uzwile vele ukuthi ini kwenzakalani lapha na kini mamela man. Sifuna uza lapha ku Sundowns man, siyakufuna yabo. Sundowns yeah. Ngithi mina okay no yazi soza Wednesday lapha eTlorkop yabo. Okay no sharp. Mangicela udrop icall yakhe, fonela uchairman. Chairman kunjani ukhona?
Chairman
Dr. Ivan Khosa. Yeah. Chairman mamela ngine problem manje enginayo la. One, sister ishonile yabo. So njoba ishonile ishiya inxusi manje akekho umuntu that will look after these kids yabo. So ngicela ukuthi ngibuye la ekhaya ngelow yabo. Then izothi sizime ephela and then we'll see ke lapho ke kusenza njani yabo. All right. Chairman, no, I'll come back to you. Okay. Monday, 30 flight in Denmark. After funeral, Monday we Denmark. So manglo le Denmark ya phone. Chairman manje, mamela boy, sasela meeting and I'll come back to you. Okay. Phone le delete Prasteni, may his soul rest in peace. Prasteni no man bisikhuluma indaba yakho no chairman esizokuthinta. Ngibuye ngikhulume noMpomi umntana ka chairman ka Dr. Ivan Khosa. Man mamela man ithama ngilitholi in and like frustration yami iloku yakhula yabo because now those kids balaphayana isikhathi yami yabona I'm sending money, I don't know what's happening, bayeskela I don't know kwenzakalani yabo. Manje athi noma ngizokhuluma nale time ngizobe ngilapha endlini late. Okay no sharp. I did that for 2 weeks. Me calling Paris, wanted to go back. After 2 weeks again he called. Angithi ngiyabonga ukuthi hayi mali ifoni yaseGasi le Harris Chwe. How boy wena sakhuluma savumelana ukuthi wenze uyeze elapha eTlorkop usoceda indaba warephela. Ngithi mina no man yazi Sister Harry mangicela ukukhuluma nawe icoach itheki mangigibele yangifuna kune game serious, so I had to fly ngibuyelele. All right mamela no mina ngiyazi mina because uHarris Chwe umama umntanakhe Daikona Lupus ngasedladleni. So umama umntanakhe bekumngani kaSister wami yabo. So bekazi ukuthi situation yasedladleni njani. So uyazi ukuthi son le kufanele ibuyile vele ayinadabla. Ngiyano akanadabla hapha. Yena kufanele abuyile vele azokhulisa labantwana laba. Hayi ngimamela la. asinikeza ama-number director team le yakho umanikeze. I remember the time it was 8 o'clock ekuseni Denmark, isikhathi saseDenmark. After 30 minutes afone back uHarris athi ke mina mamela boy yonke into sisiqedile done deal
30 minutes.
Beka 30 minutes wathi yonke into sisiqedile wena you are flying back this afternoon.
Hayibo.
How's the here? Yeah, no. Beka boy sesiqedile wena mawufika lapha ejimini bazokutshela yonke into. Impahla zakho don't worry sizoziletha thina. We'll bring them here.
Standards for you.
Mangifika ejimini vele coach nelontuzana bangibiza vele hey boy mamela manem. Sundowns fonile, they put a good offer for us and all of that. So yeah. And we understand ukuthi vele you situation yakho ukuthi you must go home. So yeah man, we wish you all the best ukuthi you can manage things and life goes on.
Sure.
Oh, that's how I came back.
Sure. Oh yes, isikhathi sesiyaphikisa la kakhulu but nama points out njengoba besho ukuthi time flies if you're having fun. Sesibaleke ngalendlela isikhathi. But nama points out too engifuna ama comments kuwena before we wrap things up. Firstly, I must put a disclaimer. I do follow you on social media.
Thank you, Fethu.
I've seen your comments. Oh, let me just give you some background.
Okay.
Kaizer Chiefs, for the past 10 years, they haven't won a thing, even if their lives depended on it. Fast forward 2025, eventually, bakhonile ukuscrapanyana in Nedbank Cup final. And then most Kaizer Chiefs are faithfuls. It's honky dory, all is forgiven. Kumnandi phefeni, kumnandi nechurena. Coach Nazrin Nabi might just be the best thing ever happened since a sliced bread. But I've seen your comments, Uguti. Nedbank Cup or no Nedbank Cup final. Nazrin Nabi magahambe. Talk to us about that.
Yeah, Bafethu. That's why in team it's very important to go back and begin Chiefs ekudala.
Yes.
What type of players Chiefs be wasina? What type of football Chiefs be idlala?
Yes.
Yiyo na leya manje.
Tell us.
You ngithi mina sikhulumile ngayo lento elisathi cut and paste. Hangeke kusize baba. Cut and paste ngeke. There's teams let me make this big example so that I want people to understand where I'm coming from and where I'm going. In this world, there's only one team that can bring the stars and win. One team is their culture. It's working for them. That's Real Madrid.
Yes.
That's the only team in this world that can get the stars, they play and win. Yeah. That's the one team, Real Madrid. The rest, we've got our culture.
Exactly.
We've got our culture from way back. There's no way Pirates can play like Sundowns. There's no way Sundowns can play like Chiefs. There's no way Chiefs can play like Pirates or like Sundowns. These three teams, they're totally different with type of players. That's why, if you can remember way back, they used to say, our players, Chiefs, handsome. That's iyakubonisa ukuthi
glamour boys.
Yeah, the glamour boys.
Qala bababiza ngama-hippie.
Yes, ama-hippie.
So
those things, that's the culture of the team. That's the culture of the team. And now I've seen ukuthi it's like we sifuna ukwenza ama-cut and paste. And going back, those teams, check their records. Those teams, they used to do well because they promote the players from that development.
Thank you.
Let's go back. Mina yiko ngithi people abangangithathi wrong. I-Chiefs angiqala ngizolo.
Hayi. Qala intwana support.
Beka, bengiye stadium la FNB. Ngiye Orlando Stadium lapha walk from a deep blue walk in Orlando Stadium to watch about Chiefs and Pirates. Go FNB Stadium yobukela. Go Red Stadium yobukela. I know what I'm talking about. I know mangitshela ngithi i-Chiefs, their style of play. Let me mention the players so that people will understand why ngikhuluma kanjalo. You'll never find a player like Frank Makua compared to Sundowns.
Yes.
Sure.
You'll never find about Wellington Manyati Muntakalahlwa.
Muntakalahlwa, which is number 5. Which is number 5.
Yekela.
Which is number 5, yes.
A player like Abu Dr. Khumalo.
Yes, absolutely.
Abu Neltovi. Those were different different to all. Shuffle the pack. Tsiki. Yabona ke senivusa izinye ke.
Oh, Pandalbis.
Abo Shane McGregor, bakhulumani. Abo Freeze lapha nemove.
Beno Hadebe.
Abo Lucas Radebe, Chief. Bafethu asibhekeni lama team la. Bese uyangapha kwezemnyama ngenkaza gebhulu kamasipala zawenza wawo. Abo Thabo Mngomeni. Innocent Mncwangu. Abo Alpheus Mabuza shy right back. Bafethu. Brendan Silent Sicephesana.
Yeah.
Oh, Benedict Vilakazi.
Nayo khona kule
No, when usuke ngathanda ukusifaka mina because mangesifaka bavele bathi oh yeah vele ufuna ukuthi sizwe lento le ufuna sizwe.
So you are sticking to your guns ukuthi Nedbank Cup or no Nedbank Cup.
Yeah. No, yena kahambe. Mina yeah, no, not he's not a coach for me. For my mina personally.
ungabukisa
And for your Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah, no. Angeke azayibuyise lo because
Macron days the Chiefs.
you know, we believe ukuthi we all South Africans, South Africans, we've got one thing that is common. When we believe in one thing, we believe in it. No matter what, but we believe in it. Chiefs is the only one team that can fill up the stadium during the week.
Absolutely.
Amakhosi.
That's true. That's
Okay.
true.
Because the people they love that team.
That's true.
All right. Now, kunalento le nginokuyisho bese people bayahleka. Ngithi mina know sometimes love is blind.
Yeah, that is true. That is true. That's very true.
Sometimes love is blind. You know, people they love Chiefs, but ababona ukuthi no matter but akuna next.
There you have it, South Africa. Yeah, she says la para.
Skele.
But
I naphi lapha masesivala
Uthatha isakho.
khona nje
Ah,
umbuzo
yes,
wokugcina ngicela ukufaka lapha kuwena a little bit controversial kukwena uthi awuphendule noma uphendule or you were taken out of context or not.
Yeah.
Orlando Pirates and Bafana star player Coco Melon Relebogile Mofokeng. I believe everyone is singing his praises almost every single corner. Go Pirates, na go Bafana.
Yeah.
And I believe that you've made utterances ukuthi at his age, I was a top dog. Comparing to talking to your achievement at that time. I was started up.
I think people they took it in the wrong way.
Okay.
I love the boy. He's a star.
Yes.
He's a star. And the thing is that I don't want them to compare him and me. One, I was not a winger.
Yes.
I was a midfielder.
Yes.
So from that point of view, you should say I say captain in them.
Already.
Yeah, already because he's a winger. I'm a central midfielder.
Yes.
So we should cut it.
Yeah.
In a sense that I love the boy. The boy has shown quality. He's one player that if he's not in the field, I get worried. I love that boy. I love that boy. You know, one thing about me is that if a player is good with me, I don't care who club. For me, we are good and nothing will change. So I don't compare myself with the boy. The boy is a star. Wila Payana, Uye, Mfukeng, King of 2000. No, Mamela, the boy is something else. Yeah, out of nothing, he can create something, and then everyone a jump. So for me, I don't like to compare myself with anyone because we are all different.
Absolutely.
You know, we are all different. Even though we can play the same position, but the things that we contribute in the game and in the team, they'll be totally different. You know, so the boy for me is a star. I love the boy, and I will say I'm supporter. I mean, supporter. I love him. You know, when he plays, I'm calling pants.
When the ball is
It's worse. Magal pete. You know, magal the mona dala lapana ke. But once walbamba, I stand up because you know he reminds me. I'm a player abafana nabo abo Tebogo Mloyi, Dr. Khumalo. Abo Tukutu, Gaudelite Gift, Abo Cheesy, Osekatene, Sundowns, you know, what Tabang Libis. This is what angikhumbuza lokho ukuthi a winger aboshavula bodlala ewingini baba uyamthatha umuntu baba
Umgwinyi.
hayi bheka wena haye awufani nathi Black Jesus
asiyeke la simama lapha isikhathi makwethu esesiyanqaba asiyeke la bangisa lapha sesiphelile ngaphambi ba sivaleke lapha umbuzo nje wokugcina ngithanda ubuze lapha kuwena njengamanje yini obhizi ngayo wenzani uTsovilakazi zikhiphani ngayo njengamanje
okay mina bafethu ngokwi Diski TV. We are on YouTube, so analyze amadlala Pirates, Chiefs, Sundowns, and national team Bafana. And also I've got my own podcast, Tso's Football Wisdom. Without
any fear or favor.
Mamela, wonga matimi, mauke wa phazama nje. Ngizokubeka lapha ezotafula ukuthi ayinanga bafethu la. And then I'm a technical director with team bayibiza iBolobo Thaba.
Yes.
Academy team.
Okay.
Yeah, and then now I just came to Randburg Football Club.
Yes.
I started yesterday.
Great.
Yeah.
Congratulations on your new job.
Yeah, bakulo ntuzana ku-GTL badlala i-GTL League.
Gauteng Development League.
Yeah, so lapha I'll be coaching under 14.
Oh,
so yeah, and then the rest it's my family, my wife, my kids.
Life is good. Life is good.
Look, I always pray for that, and God gave me that. I've got a wife that is supportive. I've got my kids. So my life in Jing, if I'm not at work, I'm with my wife and my kids. That's my life.
Laphana umuntu mayefuna ukuthinta laphana ufuna ukuthi nje athi ubamba uTso laphana utholakala kanjani social media handles
social media bafethi yabona ke
uthintaka kanjani
ngikhona ku Facebook yazi nina lento zethu mina to be honest to be ngizonje iqiniso nginayo Facebook page Instagram TikTok nayo I just started nje ukuthi ngibe active nje now but manje kaka bambi kahle lento zakhona but mhlawumbe nizaziveza la screen ngizanikeza ngoba ngakazazi kahle ukuthi
ama handles athi
yeah no angithi manje I ask my wife ukuthi bheka mfazi
so is she the one that's managing your
yeah ngoba mina ngithi ngicabanga iground yabo
sure.
So yeah so uyangicreatela ke le
umshayeli admin
yeah uyangenzela mina kwami nje angibe lapha ground ngasi ground bafiki so my wife ke ungenzele ke Facebook TikTok and Instagram so that's where I paste Benedict Tsovilakazi Bongane Benedict uyawaziyo ukuthi
zihamba kanjani ama favorites wakho
yeah TikTok ngathi 48 or something but uyawaziyo mina bafethu amukona la ngoba I hardly
engage
like, yeah so yeah mangabe kunezinto poster yena I just give my wife ifone yami my wife uyayibamba at any given time so mangabe ngikuyosebenza like now njoba sila if kahle ukuthi ngathi ngilate if ake nama clip inyana uthola ama clip inyana then my wife ke uzobe saka poster ke
mzilutho ngathi
ngilate yeah so yabona angithi bayilento le ukuthi angijwayelanga lento le ukuthi I must take pictures and post yabo
yeah but ungajwayelanga icontent
yeah I know man so my wife iyangisiza ke ukuthi mangabe ngihambile nyosebenza or something then I said baby now I've got some pictures can you do this and then ke bese aya poster ke and then
izinto zakhe
yeah I know.
Oh yes, that's how we come to an end on our today's episode of Sports Geek with Sibonelo Ngcobo and Lebo Dihlaka. Lapha sibonga nakuyona insizwa lapha Benedict Tsovilakazi. Abakavilakazi konje bakabani thakasela.
Inkunzi.
Mphephethe.
Babinde mphephethe. Wasengude ngovuma wadla umkadadu wabo wathi akanamhlahla kana.
Yeah,
wathi nyonga isibhabha kadani. Manje ngakhulu ukhabolo ugama. Kude kusebenza. Wena wasihlukuza bakadoda. Hayi.
Tsotsoza.
Ngabe sebeyakikiza ke.
Hamba kuphela
ngoba base kuzozibiza mina kuyoba ngathi sengenza kube worse ngoba nginegama enganikezwa yibo umadala wami ke wathi ngumshikashika insizwe ezishumi mayodwa ngeke enze lutho
Ngeke-
so
awu.
mawuziyi-1 uzokumaga
Ngeke
ukhohlwe nje
ulokhohlwe.
ukhohlwe manje nibe yi-10 nize then niza ngikhona manje niyi-10
Asibonge kakhulu kuyona-ke laphana insizwa Benedict Tsofilakazi yona besivakashele namhlanje la kwi-Sports Geek with Sibonelo Ngcobo and Lebo Dihlakwe. On that note, Butiza Lebo.
Ayetho. Mina ngibonge kakhulu bafo. Ngibonge kakhulu yes it was very interesting. Ngiyabona even nesikhathi
Ish.
sincane.
Simele sandiza kakhulu.
Uthi usaphethe ibhuka ndoda ukuthi kumele ayidilise. It's just that mele kube ne part 2.
Yeah,
Into
no.
mina
Oh,
ngifuna-
oh yes.
Yeah, this is
I'll hold you accountable to that.
I know no.
kuningi bafethu, kuningi kusasele kuningi man kusasele
Akusele kuningi kakhulu.
ngoba ngithi asakafiki ukuthi ukuhamba kwami kuya eSwaziland kuyobutswana
eBotswana sekhulumanga le.
Kusaf-
Isikhathi.
Asazi maybe singafika no part 4 5.
There you
No
have it.
problem,
I will
no
hold
problem.
my co-pilot in the formanship of Lebo Dihlakwe accountable on that part 2. Let's hope I will do this once again with now laphana insizwa Benedict Tsofilakazi sikwazi ukuthi sinzise laphana part 2 wale nkulumo yethu sesaba nayo namhlanje. Laphana ungakhohlwa laphana ukuthi lo hlelo namhlanje once again it was brought to you, it was powered by none other than Dihlakwe Construction and Plant Hire, so as Dihlakwe cash loans. Mawunamathenda laphana ungakwazi ukuthi laphana ubathinte bona laphana kuDihlakwe bakwazi bazokusiza laphana ngemshini yawo laphana ye-construction noma TLP, watercan, excavator, anything and everything that talks to construction. You can always get in touch with them on 073 956 8647. Ungakwazi ubaba laphana ngomtato nakhona laphana kwi-landline ku-010 017 1905. Ungakhohlwa igama Dihlakwe Construction Plant and Hire, so as Dihlakwe cash loans. Uma bank balance is not bank balancing pretty well. On that note, from me, it is bye-bye till then. Thank you.